Hi everyone! In this video, we will walk through where to check EventUp listing stats, how to read the data, and how to use that data to improve a listing and increase overall listing performance. Periodically checking an EventUp listing performance indicates how well received the listing is by event planners. Joining the directory exposes my venue to a broader community of event planners looking for the perfect venue for their upcoming events. Still, just like my own website, I want my listing to stand out among the competition and grab the attention of social and corporate planners the very moment they are browsing. To find the data for my EventUp listing, I'm going to head into my account and then my listings. Each venue listing I have access to will have its own unique data set. Each data set includes leads, impressions specifically for the last 30 days, page views, average response time for the last 30 days, and a monthly breakdown. To understand the health of my listing, I first need to understand the breakdown of the data that the venue is collecting. Let's go over some definitions. Leads are a form fill of the quote request on my listing, otherwise known as an event inquiry the listing receives from an event planner. Impressions are when an event planner sees the listing in search results among other venue listings. Page view is when an event planner views the dedicated listing page. And the average response time is, on average, how long it takes for someone from the venue to respond to inquiries from the EventUp portal. If the events team responds to inquiries outside of EventUp, say through the venue's email account, this metric will not be accurate and can be ignored. When reviewing metrics, many factors play a role in the overall listing performance that should be considered. Here are a few. The first is the size of the market and how many potential event planners are there in the venue's surrounding area. Next is how long the venue has been listed on EventUp. Another factor is what package a venue is currently subscribed to. EventUp packages offer different listing placement options, providing venues with more chances for visibility. And finally is the listing optimization, meaning how one listing compares to all of the others within the market. Now that I know what factors affect my listing's performance, I can take some action steps to improve my listing. I want to look for my overall traffic, impressions, page views, and leads to be consistent or growing month over month. For example, let's say I have high impressions but low page views. It could mean that my cover photo is not grabbing the attention of event planners while they browse, so I can try switching up that photo to increase traffic. Another example would be if I had high impressions and page views but low leads. This could mean planners like the photo I have chosen, but there could be missing information on my listing preventing planners from submitting an inquiry. If all three of my datasets were low, I would want to ensure I had filled out all available listing fields. Event types and amenities are how planners filter to find the best venue for their event. Leaving these fields blank affects how a venue appears in search results. Make sure to enhance the listing for search engine optimization. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@eventup.com for one of our EventUp experts to assist you in any way.